Hey guys, so here's the notes for 3.3. This is going to be a day 2, so this is just a second example of using linear programming. Okay, so for this one it says the area of a parking lot is 600 square meters. So a car requires 6 square meters and a bus requires 30 square meters of space. The attendant can handle no more than 60 vehicles. If a car is charged $2.50 and a bus is $7.50, how many of each vehicle should be accepted to maximize income? So there's our main goal. We're trying to maximize the income, meaning we're trying to figure out how many cars and how many buses, and we add them together, we can get the most money, okay? So the first thing we need to do is define our variables, just like we've done before with any word problem. So once again, when you define your variables, it's really up to you what variables you want to do. But because we are going to be graphing, I like to use X and Y so I remember how to graph those. So I'm going to say X is going to represent the cars and our Y is going to represent the buses. Okay? Okay, now part B, we need to write the profit/cost equation. Remember, this is what we also call the objective function, okay? So we know we have to do P equals because we want the profit. Now here, we want to look, okay, where does it talk about money? That's always going to represent, okay? So if it's dealing with cost, that means the numbers have to deal with money. So we look at our sentences. Where do we see where it tends to money-wise? Well, hopefully you saw that cars are charged $2.50 and a bus is charged $7.50. That's where we see money. So that's going to help us figure out how much income we can get from this parking lot. So I'm going to do 2.5, and so remember cars are represented as X, so I do multiply. Then I add that with the bus, okay? So basically we're charging buses $7.50, and that's going to be with the Y. So that is our profit equation, or another word of saying objective function. Okay, make sure you watch the next part of the video. We're going to be talking about linear inequalities and how to graph them to get our feasible region.